Hey guys, quick update on the trophy truck. So the front steering is now complete. The servos are not properly mounted, but they're in and it works. So just like in the previous videos where I showed you what I'm trying to replicate, I've got 2 steering arms, 2 servos, 1 servo for each wheel. I'll just do a quick demo. Now, you might be thinking, Joe, that's crazy camber. Yes, at full travel, the camber is insane. But that I knew that was going to happen from the very start. So the trick has been getting the steering arms not to interfere, either when it's fully drooped or fully up. So you can see there that there's a lot of moving parts there, but luckily nothing touches. It does touch a little bit on when it's fully up at the top, but it's never going to be up there because there's going to be a little bump stop, so it'll never actually get that high. So if I go full lock left, if I put both wheels up, you can also see there that I've actually got crazy amount of steering lock, which is what I was hoping for, because this is going to have some drifting gyros on it, 1 gyro for each servo. It's going to be rear-wheel drive with a lock diff, so it will do donuts. And if I get the gyros working right, so that's as much lock as some of these RC drift cars. So I'm really happy with that. And you can see there that you're 1 wheel up, 1 wheel down. It just works. It just works. Yep. So if I'm just going to grab a piece of wood. Okay, we're back. So make sure the body's on properly. Right, so once it's fully loaded, the batteries, and it's fully built and all electronics, I'm hoping that I can adjust the springs to get, that's going to be the ride height. So I've got up travel, and then I've got all the down travel, which you saw a moment ago. You can see there the front steering. That's going to be, the bumper's going to be about here. So this will hang down, so yes, any rocks could get stuck in here, but I'll have to just figure that out as we go, and once it's working. I might have to put a bit of like a bash guard here, just to protect these, but we'll worry about that later on. Just do another quick demo for you. And then you can see that steering lock. So yeah, really happy with that. I think that's absolutely spot on. And once I get a nice chunky bumper on there, it's going to look spot on. I'm going to have some supporting bars going up over here, and then it's going to have a bump stop. So that, well, just a bump stop. And then I'm going to make sure that, I hate it when you see RC cars where the wheels hit the bodywork. So I'm going to make sure that the bump stop stops it just before. So no matter what, the wheels never hit the body. So that, it's going to be about there. So no matter what, the wheels can't hit the body. But anyway, I'll just go on a bit there. So that's a quick update for you. What's the next plan? Finish the front bumper, bump stops, mount the servos properly. Transmission to do, which should be relatively simple. Mount the rear axle. I'm going to do my own 4-link rear axle setup. Anti-roll bar to go on the back. Battery, figure out where I'm going to put the battery. I was going to have 2, but I'm not too sure now. I might only have 1 battery. But anyway, right, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video soon with some more progress.